Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating figures in Japanese mythology, Amaterasu, the sun goddess. If you're into Japanese culture, Shinto myths, or epic ancient stories, this video is for you. Amaterasu isn't just a mythical figure, she's a symbol of light, life, and even Japan's national identity. Ready to explore the world of Shinto mythology with me? By the way, if you love mythical stories, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to catch more epic tales. Let's get started. Who is Amaterasu? Amaterasu Amakami, meaning great divinity illuminating heaven, is the most important deity in Shinto, the ancient religion of Japan. Shinto revolves around nature and sacred spirits called kami, and Amaterasu, as the goddess of the sun, is at the heart of it all. According to legend, Amaterasu was born from Izanagi, one of Shinto's primordial gods. The story goes that when Izanagi purified himself in a ritual, Amaterasu emerged from his left eye, Tsukuyomi, the moon god, from his right eye, and Susanoo, the storm god, from his nose. These three formed a powerful trio of gods, but Amaterasu was always the leader. Why the sun? Because for the Japanese, the sun represents life, warmth, and prosperity. That's why Amaterasu wasn't just a goddess. She was considered the ancestor of Japan's emperors. Even today, the Japanese imperial family traces its lineage back to her. Amaterasu's divine family. Let's talk about Amaterasu's family tree. It's like a cosmic soap opera. Her dad, Izanagi, and his partner Izanami were the power couple who created the Japanese islands and tons of other gods. After Izanami's death, Izanagi's purification gave us Amaterasu and her siblings. Tsukuyomi, the moon god, was her counterpart, ruling the night. Some say they were married, but they split, separating day and night forever. Then there's Susanoo, the chaotic storm god who's always causing trouble for his big sister. The legend of the cave. One of the most famous stories about Amaterasu is the tale of the heavenly cave. One day, her mischievous brother Susanoo went way too far. With his wild antics, like ruining rice fields or throwing a dead horse into a sacred temple, he seriously upset Amaterasu. Heartbroken and angry, Amaterasu hid herself in a cave, sealing herself away. Now imagine this. The sun goddess is gone. The world plunged into darkness, crops started dying, and the other gods panicked, desperate to bring her back. That's when Uzume, the goddess of dance and mirth, came up with a plan. She performed a lively, hilarious dance outside the cave, complete with music and loud laughter. The other gods joined in, making a huge racket. Curious, Amaterasu peeked out to see what was going on. At that moment, a strong god named Tajikarawa sealed the cave shut and pulled her out. And just like that, the sun's light returned to the world. This story isn't just a fun tale. It shows how Shinto values balance between light and darkness, joy and sorrow. Alright friends, that was the story of Amaterasu, the sun goddess, whose light still shines in Japan's culture and hearts. From the legendary cave to the Ise Shrine and Japan's flag, Amaterasu is an eternal symbol of hope and life. What do you think about Amaterasu? Which Japanese myth would you like to hear about next? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, stay awesome and keep shining like Amaterasu.